Hey guys, the manufacturer sent me this really cool Book Nook kit for free so I could work on it, let you know what I think about it. You can see this is the box that it came with. Even the box is really cool and looks really nice and detailed on it. This is the actual finished product here. My son and I, he's 13, we worked on it together for about a week or two on and off for hours here and there together. So we made some really good memories working on it and had a really good time doing it. You can see it has this dust cover that I'll slide out so you can see the detail and you can see the light on in there. Part of the instructions was to install this button up here. So you see I can turn the lights on and off so it looks really good on the bookshelf at nighttime. And I just want to let you get a good look inside of there so you can see all of the detail. It was really good. I can't believe like how detailed this thing was. It was crazy. So I was super impressed about that. So one thing I just do want to let you know or remind you about is that, certain pieces of it do need to be glued together and it doesn't come with glue. So I use this Gorilla super glue gel. It worked really well for this. Sometimes it dried a little too fast, but that's for you to decide if this super glue gel would be good for you or not. But anyways, it worked for me. But again, I just wanted to tell you how impressed I was with the level of detail and the amount of fun that I had working on this with my 13-year-old son. So I definitely recommend this product.